Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain why I use and recommend Squarespace for building your website. If you're new here, my name is Louise of solopreneursidekick.com, and I put out new videos every Tuesday and Thursday to help you grow your online business. So if you're looking to do that, make sure that you hit subscribe. So my first experience, way back when, trying to build my own website probably sounds a lot like yours. First, I tried WordPress because that was the platform that all the bloggers used. So I thought, okay, I can do this. My budget was small, so I knew I had to take the DIY route. But I found the platform confusing and not very intuitive, so I went searching for another platform. After a few unsuccessful attempts to find a platform that was easy to use yet powerful enough to do what I needed, I finally stumbled upon Squarespace. Turns out I'm not the only one who had this experience. Over and over in Facebook groups, I've seen people complaining about the headaches associated with WordPress. Their site breaking, numerous plugins, hosting confusion. Now, this isn't to say that WordPress isn't a powerful platform, because it absolutely is. However, for those of you who aren't the most tech savvy but want to be able to update your website yourself, I say skip over the steep learning curve and go with Squarespace instead. I'm all about keeping it simple and making building your business easier, which is why I recommend that you go with Squarespace. This applies to freelancers, coaches, infopreneurs, and small business owners who require a simple website with blogging functionality. Here are the reasons why I love it so much. Number one, it's easy to use. Squarespace is the perfect solution for beginners. Its simple drag and drop functionality means that you can make edits right in front of you with no coding required. Rather than having a long list of plugins to integrate, everything you need is within the Squarespace. Everything you need is right within the Squarespace platform. Two, it's simple, modern design. Your website is your first impression, your 24-hour salesperson, and so much more. You need it to look professional and truly represent you and what you do. Luckily, Squarespace comes equipped with over 40 templates, all of which are gorgeous, stylish, and functional. The modern templates can instantly uplift your brand and come included at no extra charge. Three, it formats right. Your website will not only look amazing on your laptop, but also on your phone. This is key from a user standpoint and a huge plus for SEO, which is making sure that your site is discoverable by Google. Four, it's reliable and secure. So this means that you can leave all of the updates, maintenance, and security issues to the pros. You don't have to worry about your site going down, and Squarespace has fantastic support if you do run into any problems. Five, it's affordable. Squarespace is just $12 to $26 a month. Not only is the monthly fee affordable, just think about how much money you'll save by being able to make changes yourself. No need to pay a designer every time that you need to make a small change. This in itself makes it worth it financially, I think. And lastly, you can upload new content with ease. Once you get comfortable with the platform, adding new content, photos, and blogging with Squarespace is a total breeze. And that's just the beginning. Add in photo galleries, contact forms, videos, and so much more by using Squarespace blocks. Are you thinking about designing your own website with Squarespace? Make sure that you download my free guide, which I will leave a link to in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you found this video helpful. Let me know by giving it a thumbs up and hitting subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon with another video.